Now let's talk about CTE. CTE is a good to have if you have a complex set. Like, remember that report that I built? So I have my first main query here. The CTE start with syntax with. It's good to have the semicolon right here, because sometime on the top, if you have anything before the with, if you don't have the semicolon, SQL will not be able to run it. So it's good to have the semicolons. I think I have it right here. See, I have that semicolon because I have these two statements on top of the with syntax.
Right.
Okay, so let's talk about this. So I have two sets of CTE. The first set is called alt members has DOB. Basically, this is the statement. I select all the columns from alt members table, but I just need to see members that has a date of birth, DOB. So if I execute this query, I have 9 records with members that has DOB. This record, I put it as a CTE, what I call alt members has DOB. The second set, the same data source table alt members, same columns, but in this set, I only want to see the members that has no DOB. So if I run this, I have 2 records with no DOB. So first CTE alt members has DOB. The second CTE alt member has no DOB. How do you add the CTE more than one? You can add separated by comma, and you just put the CTE name. You type S. This is the syntax. As you put the parenthesis open, closing parenthesis, and this is your select statement. Now, if you do so, you have first CTE, second CTE. Now, if you do select star from alt members here, alt member has no DOB, SQL will pull the output based on your final set and look for which CTE you want to see, what output of CTE set you want to see. In this example, I want to see alt member has no DOB, so SQL will look for this CTE, and SQL found this one. Okay, let me run this, and it gives me this result. If you want to see the first CTE, then you just do select star from alt member has DOB. So SQL will look for the first CTE, alt member has DOB, and then return the output. You can do join first CTE and second CTE. If you do left join members, alt members has no DOB, and you can alias this as A, and the second one B, you can call B, and you do a joining key with the member ID equal to B, and then the member ID. So this is left join, so it will give you whatever in the alt member has DOB. If I execute this, it gives me 9 records. Because you select star, you see a lot of duplicate columns, right? So you can do a dot star, and then if you want to see, let's do a dot star. Then SQL only will pull the column from the table A, which is the alt member has DOB. That's the CTE. Now, CTEs is one of a good way if you have a complex set. Remember that report I built, I have different types of vendors, right? I have vendor 1, vendor 2.
Mm-hmm.
At the top, I have my main query. I pull everything based on the columns type. For that report, I think we specify LTSSCP.
Okay.
Now this is my set. Vendor 1 is from my CTE, the top CTE. So my vendor 1 with a lot of requirement here, and then I have my vendor 2. I have the requirement here. All of them, they are using the set, the main CTE on the top, and then at the end, at my final set, I pull the other resource data source table. Then I can join back with all my CTE right here. You see, I have my CTE names fan1n, fan1, fan1p. So all of them join back with my CTE right here. And then I use the subquery, select star from this set. I will explain to you about subquery after the CTE. Do you have
Okay.
question for the CTE, Vijay?
The second one was a bit complex. I will have to review
Yeah,
once again. Okay. The first one was pretty easy to understand.
yeah. But once you understand about the simple CTE, you can keep
Mm-hmm.
adding the CTE. Third
Okay.
CTE, fourth CTE.
So it is just separated by comma then.
Yes, like this. My first CTE is it's a set. It's called set, and my
Mm-hmm.
second CTE is called friend1n. I have the separate by
Right.
comma.
Okay.
And what happened? This is just pulling everything from set with a filter.
Okay.
The third one, same thing. Friend1, pulling from set with different filter.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
and then
Got it.
just keep going. I keep adding until my n CTE, and then I don't have any comma. Then that's how I start with my final sets right here. And this is the subquery, which is I'm going to explain to you after this.
Okay.
So you good with
Mm-hmm.
CTE?